Select every other row in Excel. Need to select every other row or every third row in Excel. Still Ctrl-clicking them one by one? It's slow, repetitive, and easy to miss a row. Here are 2 better ways, an Excel built-in workaround and a faster, more flexible Kutools solution. Method 1. Use a helper formula and filter. This method is best for selecting alternate rows with Excel alone. Add a blank helper column next to your data. In this example, the first data row is row 2. Enter the formula equals MOD, open parenthesis, row, open and close parentheses, minus, row, open parenthesis, $A$2, close parenthesis, comma, 2, close parenthesis, equals 0. Replace $A$2 with a cell in the first data row of your own worksheet. To select every third row, change the 2 after the comma to 3. In this example, we'll select every other row. Press the Enter key. The formula returns true for every other data row and false for the rows in between. Select the formula cell, then double-click the fill handle in the lower right corner to copy the formula down through the entire data range. The helper column is now filled with alternating true and false values. Open the filter menu in the helper column and keep only true selected. Only the alternate rows marked true remain visible. Select the filtered range, then press Alt+ to keep only the visible cell selected. You can now copy, format, or perform other actions on the selected alternate rows. When finished, clear the filter to show all rows again, and remove the helper column if needed. All rows are visible again, while the alternate rows remain selected. This method works, but it requires a helper column, a formula, filling, filtering, and an extra visible cell step. It is mainly suited to alternate rows and does not directly select interval columns or more flexible patterns. For a faster and more flexible method, use Kutools for Excel. Method 2. Use Kutools for Excel. First, download and install Kutools for Excel, and then open the workbook you want to work with. Select the exact data range you want to process, excluding the header row if you do not want it selected. Go to the Kutools tab, open the Select menu, and choose Select Interval Rows and Columns. In the dialog box, choose whether you want to select rows or columns. To select every other row, set Interval of to 1 and rows to 1. Click OK. Kutools selects one row, skips one row, and repeats the pattern throughout the selected range. To select every third row, set interval of to 2 and rows to 1. You can also increase the rows value to select several consecutive rows at each interval. Enable the Select Entire Rows option to select entire rows when you need the complete worksheet rows. Click OK, and Kutools selects every third row across the entire range. There is no helper column, formula, filtering, or manual control-clicking. The same tool works for both rows and columns, with full control over the interval, selection size, and working range. This makes Kutools especially useful for large worksheets, repeated selections, and custom interval patterns. Use the Excel method for a simple alternate row task. Use Kutools for Excel when you need a faster, clearer, and more flexible way to select interval rows or columns.